Stock number 40441G. It's a 2012 Toyota Tundra. It does have a key, it does not start. Right here on the front fender, got paint problems. Bumper's no good. Radiator core support's bent. Radiator's damaged. Bumper's damaged. Hood's damaged. Passenger side front fender's damaged. Headlights broken. Passenger doors bent right there. Truck bed's got paint problems right there, right there. Paint problems right there on the deck. Paint problems right there, right there, right there. Paint problem right there. Paint problems all right here. Surface scratch right there. Parking lot ding right there. Steering wheel airbags deployed, the driver knee airbags deployed, the driver's seat belt's locked. It does have a key, it does not start. Passenger side visor. Driver side visor. Interior's in good condition. This comes down. And this is stock number 40441G. It is a 2012 Toyota Tundra. It does have a key, it does not start.